What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. We have a limo in the shop right now. Gonna be doing a complete transformation in gloss black, and as you guys just saw, we did just wrap the hood of the limo, and gonna be completely transforming this. Another car once again. Never been able to work on a limo, so this is gonna be super exciting and something different. But he just purchased it from Vegas. It's a 2014 Cadillac. It's not the coolest limo, but it is pretty neat to me. I've ridden a couple limos, but nothing like this, so that's really cool. And then there is this Aria Casino he purchased it from not too long ago. Got it down here, and now we're gonna be completely wrapping it and changing it up. He also has this leather roof. I don't know if it's pleather, leather, I don't know exactly what it is, but he's gonna be getting that redone, reupholstered. And then we are also gonna be doing a full ceramic coating on the vinyl, as you guys have not seen on video yet. So super excited to show you guys that as well. And the windows, so that he does not have to use his windshield wiper. So I'm excited to show you guys that as well. But stay tuned, we're gonna hop on this. This is the day before Thanksgiving, so we're gonna be having this car for about 6 to 7 business days, plus an extra 2 days maybe for the ceramic coating, just so we can make sure that it cures. But super excited, and we're gonna hop on it right now. Good morning guys, it's the next day and we are starting back up on the limo. Obviously you guys have seen us do a couple doors in the trunk, but now we're gonna start hopping on the whole side of the limo. There's like this big panel in between the back and front door. It's kind of weird. It's like the big panel where they cut in half and then they put the cars together, I guess you would say, in order to make the limo. So we're gonna be cleaning this. Christian's prepping this real quick, and then I think yesterday they had to sand the whole bottom of the side skirts due to so much grime and debris. But I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so we sanded it down with 1200 just to get off all that grime. But now we're gonna start doing that, and then we're gonna lay the big quarter panel and then hop on the other side. So we'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so last time we talked, we were just knocking out the side of the panels, the big panel where it connects from the front driver door to the back door. Mateo right now, he's taking care of the side skirts at the moment, trying to finish this all up, knock that out. The camera did die, so we had to start knocking out the quarter panel. So this quarter panel is completely finished, but we have the passenger side quarter panel for you. So we're gonna be filming that tomorrow. It's around 6 o'clock right now, so we're gonna try to get home. But finish up this last cut and then get back up on the limo tomorrow. But I know we're also gonna be showing you guys ceramic coating the vehicle, as well as doing ceramic coating on the glass, which is super exciting to show you guys. But I just wanna give you guys a quick little update, and I'll see you guys here tomorrow. Alright guys, so the limo is done. It's such a big sigh of a relief when the customer goes home happy, and I'm so happy that he loved it and that it's completely finished and done to the way that he likes it. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up and turn on notification bells, because we have this Tesla that we're going to be doing a front PPF job on as a full ceramic coating. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.